One lazy afternoon, Garfield lay sprawled on John's couch, half asleep and dreaming of an endless buffet of lasagna. But suddenly, a bright flash filled the room. Before he could react, he found himself in an unfamiliar house, one that smelled of mischief and chaos. "What the—" Garfield muttered, blinking as he got to his feet. Crash! A blur of gray and brown zoomed past him. Tom, the ever-determined cat, was hot on Jerry's tail, swiping at the tiny mouse with all his might. Jerry skidded to a stop in front of Garfield and ducked behind his tail. "Hey, big guy, a little help?" Garfield, still groggy from his unexpected teleportation, raised an eyebrow. "Help? Do I look like I move fast enough to help?" Before Jerry could respond, Tom lunged, missing Garfield by an inch and landing face first into a table. Bam! The furniture wobbled and sent a plate of food flying, right onto Garfield's head. Garfield sighed, licking some of the sauce off his face. "At least it's not bad," he mumbled. Then he turned to Tom and Jerry. "All right, what's going on here? Where am I?" Jerry peeked from behind Garfield. "You're in our world now, buddy. And unless you want to be part of this cat-and-mouse war, I suggest you pick a side." Tom crossed his arms and huffed. The side of the cat, obviously." Jerry scoffed. "You mean the losing side?" Garfield smirked. "Look, I'm usually against physical activity, but I do love watching a good show. How about this? I help the winner eat dinner." Both Tom and Jerry stopped, exchanging nervous glances. Just then, the door creaked open, and in walked a tall, grumpy woman. "Mammy Two-Shoes." She took one look at the mess and bellowed, "Thomas! What in tarnation is going on in here?" Tom's eyes widened in terror. He bolted, Jerry snickering as he followed. Garfield, however, simply stretched and yawned. "Well, that's my cue to nap. Wake me up when there's lasagna." And just like that, Garfield found himself caught in the middle of Tom and Jerry's eternal chase. Though, true to his nature, he'd spend most of his time watching, eating, and napping while the chaos unfolded around him. The end.